So hey guys, welcome back to my channel JNTUH Explainer. See, yesterday night we all got our mock allotment college list, and most of the students whom I know are not happy with the college that they have got. See, this is not the time to be anxious or to panic, because we still have a chance to change our web options and get the college that we always dream of. So right now, what has still happened right now? Let's discuss that thing. So you went to your self reporting, you certified your verification, you verified your certificates, and then you kept all your web options, and now almost it's 5th July and you got your mock allotment college too. So what I want to explain you that everything that has happened till now, none of the algorithm has been run on your web options. This is just your rank, your category, and the area that you belong to, like local or non-local. Based on all these things, you have been allotted a college. So still you have to change your preferences, because anything can happen on July 10th. So right now, what's been going on? See, your mock allotment is in the final thing. You still have chance until July 7th to change your web options. Here is exactly how to do it and how to do it right. So in this entire video, I will be explaining how you can correct your errors or the mistakes you have been done while the web options. So mock allotment, it's a preview, not a seat offer. Let's understand this thing clearly. And in the first point, what it says, that it's provisional only. It shows the college and branch you would likely get. Nothing is confirmed or reserved. See, these points clears a lot of confusion that has been going on in so many students' minds. This shows the college and branch you would get likely based on your rank and caste. Based on your July 1st options, calculated from your rank, category, and local status, and the options you already submitted, this has been allotted. Then auto carries if untouched. Don't edit anything, and these exact options go forward to your final allotments. So if you don't want to carry forward the same options till for your final allotment, you need to do some changes, right? And then 4 dates you cannot miss. In these 4 dates, one date is already completed, which is the July 4th, where you all got your mock allotment colleges. And this is the next phase where you need to be so careful, because from July 5th to 7th you need to modify your web options. That means right now in this column you are supposed to change any of the web options that you kept by mistake, or you are not interested in that college or in that branch. Then you have a chance of sending that college lower the order and bringing some top colleges or the college you want to join above the table. And the next important date is on July 10th, that is phase 1 final allotment. In this you will be allotted the college, and that's final. There is no more chance to edit that or change that until and unless you go to the phase 2nd. And then from July 10th to 14th you need to pay the fee payment, and you need to self report. So, and this is another process that I will be explaining in another video. Self reporting means you need to report online. You don't have to go to the college physically. And then in the fourth step, what we'll be learning is get into the right screen first. First you need to log in from the portal. Go to this website tgepcet.nic.in and open the web options modification link you will need. For that you already know what we need to enter: hall ticket number, login password, and date of birth. After you logging in, see, there are three moves that all you get. First one is add, delete, and then reorder. See, add means you need to add the colleges that you missed in the first time when you were opting the web options. And delete are the colleges or the branches that you kept just in the namesake of filling all the web options. And in one of that you got a college or branch, then you need to, if you want, you can delete that and reorder. See, the college which you don't want you kept at the top, and the colleges which you want you unexpectedly kept at below the order. Then you can reorder and bring that all the colleges that you actually want to target and above the table, and all the useless colleges are the colleges you don't want to join. You can reorder them and send them lower in the table. And then In the fifth point, in the sixth point, see, build a three-tier list, not a wish list. See, this is not something that you want 100%. This is something that you will get by if you act wisely. For example, if your rank is above 10,000 or below 10,000, make a wish list dividing the colleges in three tier. In the first year, it should be like dream college. What are your dream colleges and what are the top colleges that you want and you should get there? See, slightly above your safe rank range, worth trying, not guaranteed. Yes, we know that it's not guaranteed, but what happens if you tried it? Unluckily, see, cutoff trend changes every year. That means you still have a chance if the cutoff increases, right? Then the second tier is so important, which is realistic. See, realistic means matches your rank closely based on last year closing ranks. Always check closing ranks before putting web options, because if your rank is above 50,000 and you are filling all the web options whose cutoff goes around 20,000, 30,000, then what is the point of keeping web options, right? You will obviously not get a seat unless and until you have a good luck. And then safety. See, you would accept it without hesitation if nothing else comes through. If your dream colleges are failed, if your realistic colleges fails to get you a seat, then these are the safety options that could easily get you a seat irrespective of your interest. See, a list that is too short is how student end up with zero allotment. For example, one of the student who DM'd me today that his rank was 27,000 and he just kept 20 web options. He didn't even get a notification of mock allotment. See, that shows his mentality that by keeping just 20 web options, he could get a good college, right? And then, see, five mistakes that cost student a seat. At number one, assuming mock's result is equal to final result. See, mock result is never your final result until and unless you change the preferences. And then editing in panic without checking cutoff trends. As I already said you should always check the cutoff trends before keeping the web options so that it could help you to get a seat very easily. And then forgetting to hit final save and submit button. This is a government website. That means for every 2 to 3 minutes it refreshes itself. That the due to that you need to refresh after keeping every 5 to 10 web options. And then ignoring categories, local area cutoff gaps. See, if you belong to a reservation of SC and ST, irrespective of your rank, you can get some nice colleges due to the reservation, but only if you put the right colleges above the list. Even though you're having a nice reservation chance, if you put some normal tier 3 colleges or some normal waste colleges at the top, then you will end up getting a seat over there. And then waiting for the last hour of July 7th. See, we cannot trust government websites all the time. If you wait till the last hour of July 7th and the unexpectedly the website doesn't open on that hour, then you will be doomed, right? And in the final one, submit before July 7th, then wait. See, after you submit your July 7th, the actual statistical algorithm will run on your entire web options, and then finally you will be allotted a seat. And on July 10th, if you see some different college where which is not related to your mock allotment, then this entire changing of colleges happens due to the 5th to 7th modifying of your web options. So act wisely. And if you don't know what to do, if you didn't and you don't know how to change the modification link, or you don't know what colleges you need to keep when you are modifying, then just comment on your rank and your mock allotted college. I will help you. So thank you so much for watching till here, and if you have any sort of doubt, comment on and I will help you.